How to add another account on Messenger? Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to add another account on Messenger. Do watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch your Messenger application on your device. Make sure that you have logged into any current account on Messenger. Now select three-line icon at top left corner of the screen. You can either tap on your username at top of the screen on this left panel and add account, or you can go back and select the gear icon at top right corner. Scroll down. Select switch account here under safety and you will reach on the same section. Now tap add account button and here you can tap log into another account. Select the phone number or email and the password. If you forget the password, you can tap on forget password link and easily re-enter your password or recover your forgotten password. So when you enter all the credentials, tap on the login button and then you will successfully add another account on Messenger, and in this way you can use multiple accounts in Facebook Messenger app. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.